What would you say the most important part of starting on Etsy is?
It's really getting your profile completely set up. Again, on Amazon, it's kind of a faceless platform. Etsy, because it is relationship based, people will come in, look at your store, they'll see an item and go, "Oh, that's cute." Then they'll click on the, about the store. And if your shop page, you've got your banner and then your shop photo. So for your shop photo, I would use like your logo. Yeah, I would use something more professional. But there's also a section that says about the owner or shop owner, and you can upload a picture of yourself. So you can have the best of both worlds. That's what I would do. If it's blank, they're wondering, okay, is this a scam? Is this a real person? And profiles that are fully complete with the about me section, their shop policies, sell a heck of a lot more than those without. So I would say, the best thing you can do before you even start your Etsy shop is go get on Etsy, just surf, look up cat shirt, find a shirt you like, and then click on the about the store. Go see several different stores. What do they say about themselves? What do their shop policies look like? What does their about me section look like? And just get some really good ideas. I think you really need to have a completed profile and a completed storefront. Make sure you get your banner image up. Make sure, you don't want it to be blank with this default funky picture. Be taken seriously. You want to have some full pages. Nobody wants to go into, your Etsy store in the first page you only have 2 designs and that's it. At a bare minimum, when you open your store, you should get 10 designs up because that will cover your first page.
Gotcha.
But you don't start ranking you don't start getting your relevancy store. You don't start getting ranked in Etsy until you have at least 50 items listed in your store. And that's how you start getting more traffic in your relevancy rank and rating. So it's important to try to go ahead and get some up. And like I said, if you guys are all doing merch, which you're here, you've got designs. And that's what I did. I took my designs for merch and I put them on Etsy. So I already had a backlog of designs and was able to get them up pretty quickly.
Yeah, I think it was in Texas. I was talking to someone else who does print on demand, and they said that they view each design and all the keywords that they have with the design as an asset, and they just try to use that asset as many places as possible. So that is a cool mindset to get into, of just, all the designs that you used on Amazon, even if they didn't work on Amazon, don't feel like you just have to throw those away or forget about them. Like, there are other places that you can try them. And I've heard of a lot of people having really good success with Etsy, so I would definitely take this seriously and go over there and start trying that out.
Because I'm only doing apparel right now, then I've got one store. But if I branch out into coffee mugs or home goods or canvas totes, I'll probably open a second store for that one because I don't want to have it too confusing.
Yeah, no, that's a really good golden nugget for people to think about, not just to throw everything under one name, which is the same thing we suggest for merch, so it works out.